Thank you for your time again, Dr. Shivagami. Now we are going to the last question here, and I would like to show you the last question. That is, what advice would you give to young women aspiring to careers in technology? What challenges and opportunities have you faced as a woman in a tech industry?
In terms of what advice would I give to young women, the first advice is I think they need to be bold and courageous. There are a lot of technology advancements in STEM now. It is becoming much better on the technology front. So, in terms of even software engineering, there are these tools that help you write better code in a much easier way. So, you don't have to write code like I used to write 100% coding, but now like you have scaffolding software around 50% of your code is already written. So it becomes much easier for you. So do not fear, get into the world of technology because technology rules every other industry. So the success of an industry is determined by the, how much they adopt technology. So you can be one of the forefront technology warriors there who is going to becoming who is going to make the who's going to take the domains forward, who's going to take that industry forward. So it's really good that you actually start contributing to technology. So my advice would be courageous, do your homework, put your points, and remove this bias that internally you may have as a woman. And the advice to the people who will support this young woman who wants to come in technology is just provide her the support, give her the flexibility, especially if she is depending on how, in what stage her family is. She may have small kids, she may have school going kid. So it depends on what kind of support structure the company can give, or the society, or the family members, or the friends can actually provide for this particular young woman. Please do provide that the required support so that she can flourish in this industry. Right? So that would be my advice for the young woman. In terms of the challenges and opportunities that I have had, I've had tremendous opportunities. Thank you. Thanks to all the good companies that I have worked in. But I've also faced a number of challenges. And these challenges are typically because I stuck to my core principles, my integrity, and I've stuck to the loyalty of the company. I have never compromised when I've seen different people trying to do things. I have always made sure that I've kept the company's loyalty as this, as the single most goal, right? So because of that, I faced a lot of challenges. But hindsight, I do not have any regrets on that. It's when you are a person of substance, people will recognize, and the world will open up for you. It may be that for some time there may be a bit of an issue, but like the core mantras that I spoke about, have courage in yourself, communicate well, do your job well, it will take you places because the world is a very big place. It's not your company, your boss. It's a very big, it's waiting for you with open arms. So you need to be yourself, do the best in technology, learn about new things, learn about emerging trends, and do your best. And of course, the opportunities will come. So I've had a lot of opportunities, and I've had a lot of challenges as well. So I think I'll continue to have, but yeah, but my core principles will help me, do a good job. That's what.
That's great. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here. And you give us the opportunity to understand a little more of technology and how a successful woman that inspire not only women but every people, because your knowledge, your wisdom will flourish more our environment, not only here in Brazil but in Latin America. And it's great to create this bridge between our words. And thank you so much. This is the main message here.
Thank you so much, Thanos, for having me. It's been a great opportunity for me to reflect really and talk about myself, talk about my experience so that others could possibly listen, learn from it. And I'm very grateful to you for this all.
Thank you.